Hey, I'm Chris Pauly with Gutterman Services. I'm out here in Reston today, and the other day there was a small tornado that went through this neighborhood. It knocked a lot of trees down, blew a lot of branches around, filled up the gutters with the spring debris, etc., etc. But the tornado did come through here in Reston, got this house pretty good, so the homeowners decided now it's the time to take action, and they're having us replace all the gutters today. So what I wanted to show you about was the old gutters versus new gutters. Okay, these are the old 5-inch gutters that had been on this house for probably 25 years. And back 25 years ago, they didn't know that bigger was better. And at the downspouts here, this tiny little hole of the downspout compared to this new one, okay, it was too small to get the water off the house fast. So what our company does is we kind of advise people, even if you're going to install a regular 5-inch gutter, that we put the big downspouts on it at least. And those oversized downspouts, just judging by the hole, would drain pretty much like 3 times more water. And that's because this dropout that's in this gutter is actually 3 by 4 inches, but on the top it's bigger than it is on the bottom. And so what it does is it creates a small flange here, and that flange gets a venturi going in the gutter. So instead of relying on gravity to carry the water through, you have the dropout or the downspout over there acting as a tool to pull the water through the gutters. So I'll say that one more time. The hole on the top is bigger than the hole on the bottom, and it creates that venturi or that vortex that pulls the water through the new gutters and puts it down the downspouts. So that's an example of a dropout cut into a new piece of 6-inch gutter. And that gutter is going to be installed with an internal hidden hanger. The old gutters had nails in them, spikes and ferrules. And the problem with the spike and ferrule is that after you bang on it, it cannot rehammer itself. So with a gutter hanger and a screw to hold it in place, the gutters will stay up here pretty much permanently. You're going to use a 3-inch or a 4-inch screw, okay? And these little screws are what assemble all the gutters and downspouts. All these screws are pre-finished, right? Screws have threads, so they go into the rafters. And once they're in the rafters and embedded, unlike the old gutter spike, they won't be able to pull themselves out. So if you do it right and you hang the gutter with an internal hidden hanger and a gutter screw into the rafter, you pretty much get a gutter that can expand and contract with the hanger. Snow and ice will hold up in it, okay? And the gutters will hold up for another 25 years. Nice new gutters, 25 years. Big downspouts, carry the water through faster, drains more water. And it actually is prettier on the house too. That little difference of that 1.5 inches of depth helps correct all those old wobbly whoops that are up there on that roof edge. So a nice clean straight gutter line is achieved with a taller, wider piece of gutter. And yes, they are definitely easier to clean out. And speaking of cleaning out gutters, we like, of course, covered gutter systems, and we know that everyone's been bombarded with them over the years. Many different kinds of covered gutter systems. But our K-Guard system is awesome and it rocks, but it doesn't work on every house. So when it doesn't work, we really do like the old powder-coated industrial gutter screens, not the plastic ones, not the ones that are nets. Those don't have any rigidity or any strength, okay? We really like these because they kind of hold up pretty well over the years inside a gutter. So I'll give you an example of how that's set up. So you have a hanger, a couple hangers in the gutter, and then you pop the screen into it, and when that screen is down here in the back side of the gutter, it'll bow upward and stay in place with a little bit of torque on it. And you end up with a bowed cover, small holes. We were able to get this stuff in a smaller weave, so it really does a great job keeping oak trees, tulip poplar seeds, maple seeds. They pretty much just don't get inside this gutter anymore. I will tell you that with screens, you want a hole big enough to let the water get in, so the water can still get through and flow through the gutters. And then the little bits of debris that get through them, essentially you can use a leaf blower and blow them off and a garden hose to flush them out and not really have to mess with them too much. Covered gutter systems, like our K-Guard covered gutter system, is awesome. It's a solid cover. We'll show you that in another video, or we've done many other videos. But the solid covered gutters essentially mean you don't have to clean gutters at all. And the beauty of my company, Gutterman Services, is that we own all the equipment and the machines to make the 5-inch gutters, the 6-inch gutters, the half-round gutters, the K-Guard gutters, the industrial 7-inch gutters, the 6-inch box gutters. So if we don't think a particular product is going to work right for you, we don't want to come out and represent it and sell it to you, because we want to put a guarantee on it and uphold our guarantee so that you have a system that works right. And so we want to put a system on your house that when it rains really, really hard, that you can go to the beach and not think about it, not worry about it. So we have a system for everyone. I happen to be showing a 6-inch gutter with an Easy Lock gutter screen on it. We have a system out there for anyone and everyone. And we've been in the gutter business for over 35 years, as I started saying in the beginning of this video. We appreciate your business. Thank you very much. And keep calling Gutterman. Thank you.